1000 LB Sisters has become one of the most talked about reality TV series on TLC, drawing millions of viewers who tune in to witness the deeply personal journeys of Tammy and Amy Slayton. However, as the show's popularity grows, so do the controversies. A growing number of fans are now voicing strong accusations against the network, claiming that TLC has been exploiting Tammy Slayton for ratings and profit. These criticisms have sparked a fiery debate online, with many questioning the ethics of reality television and the line between documentation and exploitation. At the heart of the controversy is Tammy Slayton, whose health struggles, emotional breakdowns, and deeply personal challenges have been broadcast for all to see. While some viewers praise the show for bringing awareness to the realities of obesity, others believe that TLC has crossed a line, turning Tammy's life into a spectacle rather than a story of recovery. Critics argue that Tammy has been portrayed in an overly dramatic light, with the most vulnerable and painful moments of her life edited for maximum impact, often without regard for her dignity or well-being. Tammy's journey on the show has been anything but easy. From her early appearances struggling with mobility, battling food addiction, and enduring multiple hospitalizations, to her efforts at rehabilitation and eventual weight loss surgery, Tammy has lived much of her life in front of the cameras. Her setbacks have often been turned into cliffhangers, while her progress is frequently overshadowed by conflict, arguments, and dramatic music. Many fans believe the showrunners are intentionally leaning into the chaos, focusing on drama rather than health and healing. Social media platforms have been flooded with posts under hashtags like #ProtectMe and #TLCexploitation, where fans share clips, screenshots, and personal takes on how Tammy has been treated. One viral tweet read, "It's not entertaining anymore. It's painful to watch someone suffer for views." Another user posted, "Imagine battling for your life and having a production crew there to capture every tear, every failure, every moment of embarrassment. That's not support, that's exploitation." Others point to the editing style of the show as further proof that Tammy is being exploited. Critics claim that TLC selectively includes scenes that depict Tammy at her worst, angry, yelling, or crying, while rarely showing the behind-the-scenes realities of her mental health treatment, therapy, or daily victories. "They make her look like a villain in her own story," said one Reddit user on a popular fan thread. "You can tell there's more going on that we're not seeing, and that's a choice by the producers." Quote, "Tammy's family has not been spared from scrutiny either. Some fans question whether Amy and the rest of the Slayton clan are truly supportive or if they are complicit in the network's narrative choices. While Amy has often been shown trying to help her sister, critics argue that her actions are also filtered through TLC's lens of drama-first storytelling. Scenes of tension between the sisters, arguments about eating habits, and clashes with family members are edited to seem as dramatic as possible. And fans believe that this focus detracts from the sincerity of their relationships. In response to the backlash, a TLC spokesperson issued a brief statement saying, "Our goal has always been to provide a platform for real stories and authentic voices. We work closely with the Slayton family and ensure that their participation is fully voluntary and supported." However, for many fans, that response falls flat. They argue that consent doesn't automatically equate to ethical treatment, especially when participants may be financially dependent on the show or not fully informed about how their stories will be presented. Some media critics have compared 1000 LB Sisters to other controversial TLC shows like My 600-Pound Life and Here Comes Honey Boo Boo, pointing out a pattern of the network capitalizing on people in vulnerable positions. Dr. Nancy Reynolds, a professor of media ethics, stated in a recent interview, "There's a fine line between representation and exploitation. When the suffering of a person becomes the central entertainment hook, we must ask, who is this helping? And who is it hurting?" The debate over Tammy's portrayal also raises deeper questions about audience responsibility. Are viewers complicit in the exploitation when they continue to watch and discuss the show? Does the demand for increasingly intense reality content push networks to manipulate narratives for ratings? Many fans admit they feel conflicted. They care about Tammy and want to see her succeed, but they also feel guilty watching what often feels like her pain being sold for entertainment. Despite the criticism, 1000 LB Sisters remains one of TLC's most successful reality series. New episodes continue to draw high ratings, and social media engagement around Tammy's life remains strong. But some former fans say they've stopped watching entirely, citing ethical concerns. "I used to be a fan, but now it feels like I'm watching someone slowly fall apart and nobody's helping," wrote one former viewer on a YouTube reaction channel. "I can't be part of that." Tammy herself has occasionally hinted at feeling overwhelmed by the media attention. In a TikTok live stream, she once said, "Y'all don't know the half of what I go through. They only show what they want to show." While she didn't directly call out the producers, her words seem to validate fans' suspicions that the full story is being filtered to fit a specific narrative. Moments like these have fueled the perception that Tammy may not have full control over how she is portrayed. In recent months, calls have grown louder for TLC to shift the focus of the show. Many suggest a more positive and empowering tone, with episodes that highlight Tammy's progress, therapy, relationships, and mental health journey, rather than continuing to focus on arguments and emotional breakdowns. Others argue that the show should end altogether, allowing Tammy to reclaim her privacy and continue her healing without the pressure of cameras. Yet, there is another side to the argument. Some fans and industry professionals believe that the exposure Tammy receives from the show has opened doors that might not have otherwise existed. From sponsorships and social media influence to health resources and public support, the platform has ably amplified her voice. "She's become a symbol of resilience for many," said entertainment reporter Rachel Lynn. "But at what cost?" A former TLC producer, who spoke on the condition of anonymity, revealed that the production team often faced dilemmas about how much to show. "There were definitely times when we felt we crossed a line, but the network has a formula that works, and sometimes that means focusing on the messier parts of people's lives. The viewer eat it up. It's a business, and business is booming." Quote, "This revelation underscores a sobering truth about reality TV, it thrives on conflict. While shows like 1000 LB Sisters may start with good intentions, to inform, inspire, or support, they often morph into something else when the ratings come in. And when the subjects of the show are vulnerable individuals dealing with life-threatening issues, the consequences of that transformation can be deeply troubling." As Tammy continues her journey, fans are left wondering what's next. Will she reclaim her narrative and redefine her story outside of TLC's control? Will the network listen to viewer concerns and change its approach? Or will the cycle of dramatic storytelling continue, leaving Tammy stuck in a loop of public pain and private struggle? Only time will tell how Tammy's story ends, but one thing is clear: the conversation around exploitation in reality television is far from over. As viewers become more media literate and ethically aware, networks may face increasing pressure to treat their subjects with care, respect, and humanity. Tammy Slayton deserves more than to be seen as just a character on a screen. She is a person whose story, struggles, and strength deserve to be told with dignity, compassion, and truth. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.